Hey y'all, this is Kim and welcome to Kim's Farmhouse Life. Originally my channel was called ABC's Mommy. It has been several years since I have made a video. I used to make just random videos about me and my kids and our life, but I kind of got away from it, getting busy with just normal everyday life. But I have since wanted to get back into making videos. I love YouTube. I watch YouTube videos every single day probably. I love clean with me videos, I love decorating videos, cooking videos. So I figured, hey, why not try doing them at home? Right now I'm just recording on my phone. We'll see how my channel goes. Maybe if it grows I will move on up and get a professional camera, but for now this is going to work. My goal with my channel is I would like to do clean with me videos, what's for dinner, shop with me, I keep saying sorry, but I just would like to do just different lifestyle videos. I don't have a schedule as of now. I would like to at least do one video a week. Maybe I will end up doing more as my channel grows. So please like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and push that notification bell so that you can be notified of when I put new videos up. And now time for the video. I'm doing voiceovers and music. I'm still new to this, so any comments that you have to help me out in the future, I would greatly appreciate. If the music is off, I've been working with trying to adjust it so that it's not too loud and things like that. So if it comes across that way, please just let me know. And if you do videos and have any kind of recommendations, just let me know. I would appreciate it. I'm still learning and I'm always open to constructive criticism. So thank you, and I hope you enjoy my video. Here I am loading up the dishwasher. We had company over the weekend, and so I had tons of dishes I needed to get loaded up. We got a new dishwasher, and I love this little drawer at the top that you can put straws and small things that you don't want falling out. Comes in handy. I am using the new Compassion Flower Mrs. Meyer spray that I just got from Grove Collaborative. It smells so good. They also have the dish soap. There are some dishes I won't put in the dishwasher, so now I'm going to hand wash those, but first I was cleaning up the counters. You're wondering what I'm doing right here. The little sprayer that I used for my sink was loose, so I had to get under there and try to tighten it up. And now I'm getting my crock pot ready. I decided to make crock pot potato soup that Missy from The Welder's Wife had made. So I'm using my crock pot liners, over here talking to my daughter, and she's just kind of in and out seeing what I'm up to. Here I am showing you what I use. First I use the Southern Style potatoes, Great Value brand, chicken broth, 32 ounce container, a can of cream of celery soup, and some bacon pieces. We're going to mix all this up into the crock pot. I decided to add some Cajun seasoning. It's really good to the soup. When I make my potato soup, the homemade potato soup I make, I always put this in it. And so I decided I would add it to this just to give a little extra flavoring. And then I'm also going to add some salt and pepper. And then we'll just cover it and let it cook all day. I let it end up cooking for about 8 hours. The last hour I put in a block of cream cheese that I cut into little pieces and just kind of stirred it for the last hour randomly to try to melt it. It turned out really good. Now I'm finally hand washing all these dishes that I have. We have Yeti cups and things like that that I just don't want to put into the dishwasher. So I hand wash them and set them over here on a drying towel. Now I'm cleaning out the refrigerator. I realized I didn't have my camera angled very good. I just showed you the cream cheese that I'm going to use later. I'm getting out the old stuff and throwing things out. And of course I wanted to show this part, but I think I'm the only person in my house that knows how to empty the trash can. Everybody else just piles it on top. I'm cleaning up all of our placemats. Like I said, I had company over the weekend, and I'm going to use my Compassion Flower Mrs. Meyer's spray, all-purpose spray, to clean off my table. I love my table. I redid this myself, and I'm very picky about things being put on it without a placemat underneath. Anyone else like that? Now I'm getting ready to vacuum. I have a rainbow vacuum. I don't know if y'all have heard of it. It uses water to catch all the dirt and particles. I have seen Mandy in the making using one. My husband decided to buy this. They're pretty expensive. I would really like to get one of the Dyson cordless vacuums that I see everybody using, because this one, it works good, but it's a pain to get in and out. You have to dump all the dirty water and everything like that. But it does work good, and I am thankful for it. It just, yeah, it's a lot of work. Here I am fixing my curtains. This weekend we had a ton of flies get in our house. I'm not even sure how. They were big black flies, so we were killing flies and having to vacuum all of them up. I'm still learning how to angle this camera. This is the first Clean With Me video that I've ever done, so please excuse the angles, and hopefully I will get better in time. I love watching cleaning videos, and I just really wanted to jump on and start making my own. Oh my, I'm still trying to get used to being on camera. These are some leftover ribs, and I'm about to go and give them to my dog. Well, she's not out here now. Chloe! Oh, there he is. There's Chloe. You want these? Look. Oops. Look. I think she's more interested in me. Our back porch is a mess. And here I am doing some more cleaning. By the way, we live in a double wide solitaire mobile home, and I've done a lot of work to it to update it and give it the farmhouse feel that I really like. I'm over here going through mail. Of course, you know we get tons of junk mail. Most of the mail we get goes straight into the trash. As you can see, I'm watching a cleaning video in the background. I'm not sure if I was watching Beauty and the Beastons or was I watching Kristen's Chaotic Life. I'm not sure. But we do, like I said, live in a double wide. We have repainted all of these cabinets white. In a little bit, you'll see my island, which I love. We did a rustic, like gray and white color. I love this. And a little bit more about myself. I'm a stay-at-home mom of 3. My oldest son is going into high school. My middle daughter will be going into 6th grade in middle school. And my youngest is 9. He's going into 4th grade. and I just thought I would start making videos again. I had made some videos several years ago. I'm by no means a pro at this, still learning, but I just thought I would join in on all the fun. Thank you for watching.